Hey, what's up everybody? JP. It's Friday. I am back. So I'm continuing off of yesterday's video. I'm making the second fender. That's what I've been doing. So I'm just going through some bends. I'm going to test fit it right now. And that's about what I got going on today. I didn't get as early as the start as I wanted to because the little man Odin was sick this morning. He had a fever, so that and a couple other things I had to do around the house. So finally getting out here to do some work. Gotta be at work tonight at 7. So we're gonna keep moving. All right, let's go. Alright, I adjusted the bend a little bit, and like I said in the other video, I'm using that first one that I made as like a kind of a template. This one looks pretty good, so I'm just going to measure the top run distance, make my next bend. I'm just going to measure my top, score that, make my next bend, measure the distance here, and then make my last bend, and this should be ready to set into place, and then put in the trim pieces. All right, let's go. I think we got it. Alright, so let's hope this fits. Alright, I got the outside tacked in place. I'm just going to tack the inside and then call it a day. so there's the second fender. Alright, that's it for today, unfortunately. It's just basically, I got the fender done, it's tacked, so hopefully I'll be able to weld this fender and the other fender tomorrow. Jordana got back with Odin from the doctor, and he's got Coxsackie. So a little change of plans, and just gonna take it easy before I go into work. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Overland trailer build, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video, and hit that subscribe button. Almost at 3,200. See you on the next video.